Hey y'all, Forever Adventures here. I'm Sydney.
I'm Will.
Today we're gonna talk about our first experience with Hagrid's motorbike adventure. First and foremost, it is still pretty crazy with the lines.
Yeah, it is.
We go on there, like, what do you go check? Like maybe like every day.
Yeah, I usually check the Universal app every day just to see what the wait times look like and see if it's slowing down a little bit or not. But it haven't really slowed down too much.
So Willie one day wanted to just be spontaneous.
Right. I think we was going to Orlando for something else, actually, just to go. No, we were there for something else.
No, we were wanting to go to SeaWorld that day.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Yes.
We had plans to go to SeaWorld, and I was like, hey, since we're going to Orlando early, let's stop by, Islands of Adventure to see if we can ride Hagrid's, because they were opening Hagrid's up at around noonish, and then eventually they started opening it up
in the morning.
Yeah, in the morning when the park opened, and just closing it early. So I was like, let's go try it and see if we can be there early and just see what happens. If we ride it, we ride it. If we don't, no big deal. We'll just go to SeaWorld.
Yeah, I was like, okay, since we're gonna go to Universal early, let's plan this early, because I'm a planner. I like to go to the parks early.
Oh my God. Yes.
That'll be another video on why I like to go to the parks early.
Yeah, we be up early because we live an hour and a half away, so.
Like, I'm talking super early. Like, people will call us crazy on Saturdays, waking up at like 5 o'clock in the morning to go to the parks.
Right.
I was like, okay, we're gonna wake up at 5 o'clock. We're gonna get there at 7. So I was like, oh, 7 o'clock though. The park doesn't open until 9. Whatever, we'll get there at 7.
No, we got there, 7 o'clock, but we had to walk to the gate through City Walk and all that. We got to the gate at 7:30.
Yep.
So when we got to the gate, it was only about 3 people standing there waiting.
Yep, it was a couple and some random guy.
Right, so I'm like, okay, cool, we should be all right.
So we sat down, we didn't get in line, although they went straight to the line when they saw us. I mean, okay, whatever.
We got there and we waited, and then the line started building up around about 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. The line was pretty long. So then they let everybody in a little earlier than 9 o'clock, but then they staged us in another area. And they took a head count for some reason for who was going to ride Hagrid's. I don't know why they did that for, because that didn't make any difference or do anything.
No.
So when the park finally opened at 9 a.m., they let everybody go back. And I was amazed when we got back there, people were running and they were telling people not to run.
So let's talk about where we had to wait first. So they let us in at about 8:45. So if you've ever been to Orlando parks, if they say they're gonna open at 9 o'clock, they are not opening until 9 o'clock. But that just means the rides. They'll most likely open earlier.
Right.
But they will not let you ride the ride. They stopped us right there with a rope.
Yeah, with like a rope area.
Was it even a rope? I think it was just people standing
Yeah, I think
there.
just the workers were standing there and they just roped it off. And people were mad because they were like, well, they let us in the gate. Why are they blocking us off again?
Yeah.
But it wasn't 9 o'clock yet.
And it was like the worst. It was the worst. Everybody was there. It was already hot because we're in Florida. And so we were just waiting. Once they dropped the rope, everybody literally ran. And I'm like, okay, we're already in the front. Doesn't matter at this point. So I'm already frustrated because people are running. So you walked ahead of me because I don't know if y'all could tell, but he's way taller than I am.
Yeah, so I went up ahead and I'm like, hey, I'll just get the spot in line and then you drop off the stuff to the locker and catch up with me. So they still funnel everybody behind the Poseidon, through the Poseidon Fury building and everything like that. And so when we got up to the ride time already said like 200 minutes or something like that. I'm like, that's no way. We were the first ones here. There's no way it's 200, minutes already. So when we got in the line, it was moving and then it kind of stopped. So since it was stopped, I'm like, okay, maybe it is a long way. And then I looked at my watch. I'm like, wait a minute, it's not even 9 o'clock yet, so it haven't even opened. So once it opened at 9 o'clock, guys, we were in and out in under 10 minutes. And that's going through the queue and riding the ride in under 10 minutes. So let's recap. We got there at 7:30 a.m. We were the first ones at the gate. It opened at 9. A lot of people, when they let us back to go back towards Hagrid, a lot of people started running, so a lot of people did get in front of us because we wasn't running, you know. And then we got in, the line said 200 minutes or 180 minutes or something like that. And then we got in line anyway. And we were through the line, saw the queue and everything, which was very cool, by the way. We saw the queue and everything, rode the ride all in under 10 minutes. So it wasn't that bad. Now for the ride itself, how did you like the ride?
I liked it. It was different. It was a lot different, just because of the way they have it with the sidecar and then the motorbike side. I rode the sidecar. He rode the motorbike because he's tall. But I liked it. It was long, too. It was about, how long is it? Like it's said to be like...
I forgot how long it is.
4 minutes?
I forgot
Something
how long
like
it is.
that.
But it does feel very long.
Yes, it's very smooth too. It's not a rough ride. It's
Right.
very different from everything else in Universal. Because everything else in Universal and Islands of Adventure, most of it is virtual reality type.
The 3D.
The 3D,
yeah.
yeah. And it's enough to make you motion sickness a lot of the time. So it's very different.
To me, I think it's my favorite ride, you know, out of both parks right now, because it's the newest, you know, it has all the, you know, newest tech, newest stuff, you know, and it's smooth, it's long. I love all the launches in it. I love the cinematics of it and everything like that. And I love to have the option of riding, you know, motorbike and sidecar. And riding motorbike is actually a different experience because you're sitting up, holding on the handlebars, and you actually feel like you're on a motorcycle. And it's so smooth and it has a lot of twists and turns to make you feel like, you know, you're riding a motorcycle.
Yeah.
And then they have another part where you're in the cave. I don't know what it's called, but it does that drop, that sudden, you know, free fall drop. That was unexpected, but I just love the ride. And I can't wait to ride it again. Do you want to ride it again? I know you want to ride it again, yeah. Definitely. But so that I still be looking on the app to see like, okay, like are people getting tired of it? Has everybody rode it yet? So now the wait times can get back down to normal, you know, 45 minutes, 60 minutes. Because I'll wait a 60 minute, you know, or an hour and a half, but I'm not waiting no 2-3 hours, you know, for it again. So, but I definitely want to do it again. If I'm ranking it out of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 9. I like it.
I'll probably say the same.
About a 9 too. Yeah, and I think I heard a lady in line right before we were getting on because I guess her sons wanted to get on and she didn't want to do it. So she was asking the attendant like, is this ride really scary? Is this, you know, is it this? And she was really worried. And I actually think this is a ride for everybody. Everybody can ride this roller coaster. You know, it's not intimidating. It's not scary. It's very fun. It's very smooth. You know, there's no upside down or anything. No, you know, big deep drops or anything like that. And I think they hit it. They killed it with this roller coaster right here because everybody, you know, can ride it and it's themed very well. Guys, that's our video for today. Stay tuned for more. We got way more videos planned. You know, we're going to be hitting way more theme parks and going on other adventures and going out of town and stuff. And we're going to bring you guys along with us. We're going to give y'all the behind the scenes tour and let y'all know, you know, what we're doing and when we're doing it and all that. We're going to bring you guys with us. So I want to thank all our subscribers out there. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You know, show us some support. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button.
Leave some comments.
Leave some comments.
Let us know what we could do better.
And yeah, let us know how we can make these videos better. And we're going to keep pumping them out for y'all. And I'm Will, and this is
Sydney.
And we're out.